If you want your engine to last longer, run smoother, and perform better, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the best engine oil treatments that can save your engine from wear and keep your car running like new. We've carefully selected these based on performance, protection, longevity, compatibility, and real customer feedback. All product links are in the description below, so you can check them out yourself. Let's get started. Number 1, X8O Motor Oil Additive. First up, the X8O Motor Oil Additive, a real game changer for engine protection and restoration. This advanced treatment rebuilds worn metal surfaces and forms a protective metal ceramic coating that lasts up to 60,000 miles. That means your engine stays protected far longer than with standard additives. It also helps restore oil pressure to optimal levels, ensuring every part of your engine gets proper lubrication. The result? Reduced friction, improved fuel efficiency, and smoother acceleration. The 3-step treatment process is simple. Just warm up the engine, apply the additive, and repeat at specific intervals. If you're serious about engine longevity, X8O is one of the most effective long-term solutions available today. Number 2, Slick 50 Original Classic Engine Treatment. Next, we have the Slick 50 Original Classic Engine Treatment, been a trusted name in engine protection for decades. Powered by Surflon PTFE technology, this formula creates a durable ceramic and PTFE barrier inside your engine. It reduces friction and heat, leading to smoother performance and long-lasting protection, even under tough conditions. Slick 50 is also compatible with all oil types, from conventional to full synthetic, and can be used on any gasoline engine, whether new or old. If you want a proven all-around solution that enhances efficiency and fuel economy, Slick 50 Original remains a solid pick. Number 3, Shine Armor Engine Oil Additive. Coming in at number 3 is the Shine Armor Engine Oil Additive, known for its groundbreaking nanoparticle technology. This additive forms a protective carbon coating between metal parts, reducing friction and reversing wear. It also helps lower engine temperature and boost oil pressure, keeping your motor healthy and efficient. It's universally compatible with both gas and diesel engines and works great with all oil types, even in high-mileage vehicles. Shine Armor is also proudly made in the USA, focusing on premium performance without the premium price tag. Number 4, Slick 50 Recharged High Mileage Engine Treatment. For those driving older cars, the Slick 50 Recharged High Mileage Engine Treatment is designed specifically for you. It restores lost performance in worn engines and helps revitalize seals to stop oil leaks before they start. The formula includes powerful detergents that clean and prevent sludge buildup while providing extra protection against friction and heat. Fully compatible with all multi-grade oils from 0W20 to 10W30, it's an easy way to breathe new life into a tired high-mileage motor. If your engine's seen better days, Slick 50 Recharged is a reliable way to bring it back to life. Number 5, Bestline Engine Oil Treatment. Finally, the Bestline Engine Oil Treatment, one of the most advanced formulas on the market. Using a diamond nanotechnology, it creates an ultra-low friction film that can reduce engine friction and noise by up to 60%. It works for any engine type: gasoline, diesel, hybrid, race car, or even motorcycles, and offers extreme heat resistance up to 800 degrees Celsius. This dual action formula not only cleans sludge and neutralizes acids, but also restores power in high mileage engines. Made in the USA, Bestline is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants racing-grade protection for everyday use. And there you have it, the top 5 best engine oil treatments. Each one offers unique benefits, from restoring worn parts to boosting power and fuel efficiency. All product links are listed in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming reviews on car care and performance products. Thanks for watching. And remember, a little oil treatment today can save your engine tomorrow